Alright, let's get into this AMD Ryzen 5 7545U. You tech-hungry maniacs. So, you heard about this chip. And now you want to know what the hell it actually is. Well, buckle up. Because this is one slick piece of silicon. We're talking about a processor for goddamn laptops. Yeah, that's right. Not your beefy desktop, but these little portable bad boys you lug around all day. And AMD, they've been on a tear lately, so you know this shit's gonna pack a punch. Here's the deal. The 7545U is built on fucking Zen 4 architecture. That's some next level wizardry right there. We're talking a major leap forward from the old school Zen 2 or Zen 3, with all sorts of snazzy efficiency tricks and power savings without dropping the hammer on performance. 6 cores, 12 threads, hell yeah. That means you can run a shit ton of apps, multitask like you've got 8 arms and still have juice left for a little light gaming or some video editing. You want to stream 4K cat videos while compiling code? This bad boy's got your back. And let's talk about that integrated graphics. No, you're not gonna crush AAA games at max settings. Don't get cocky. But for the basics and even some decent indie titles, this chip pulls its damn weight. Battery life. Sweet as hell, thanks to that 4nm process, you can work for hours while barely sipping juice. And if you're an AI nerd or number-crunching guru, there are instruction sets baked in for all sorts of exotic math. Bottom line, the Ryzen 5 7545U is a workhorse for ultrabooks and sleek laptops, chewing through daily productivity with some extra muscle for fun shenanigans on the side. You want raw, affordable power in your backpack? This motherfucker is ready to roll. Now, if only it could brew coffee. But I'm working on that, just need a quantum kernel and a fuckton of caffeine.